would not be jumping the line for 50 bucks.
Not in New York, right?
No, sir. Not in New York, not in Philadelphia, not nowhere.
What'd you say, 500?
500, you making jump somebody's spot. Hello, customers, and welcome back to my shop. If this is your first time here, thank you for finally joining us. My name is Faheem Alexander, and I'm a professional barber from South Philadelphia. On today's episode, we will be replicating an iconic look worn by the pop star Drake. This haircut is another modern classic, a skin fade Caesar with a hook part on the top left side. We're going to be joined today by the smooth, cool brother, Matrell, and he's going to be letting us smash his hair. Come on in, Matrell.
Hey, what's good, my brother?
My brother.
Woo!
Have a seat, dude.
Yes, sir.
Man, you're tall, man. Did you play basketball in your time?
Of course, man, of course. Got to represent. Shout out to the 205.
205,
Yes,
that's
sir.
Alabama.
Birmingham.
Get out of here. That's where my roots start at. So, do you like Drake?
Yeah, I like Drake.
I thought, or I should think that, you look pretty cool. You have a nice canvas that I really like.
Oh, man,
that I kind of like want to work on. Maybe give you that tapered haircut there. We cut some off the top, we give you that smooth part.
I really like the part that he has, particularly, the swirl. I don't know what you call it, but it's like, you just know it's a...
I know what you want.
Right.
But in Philadelphia, we call it the hook part.
The hook.
Or the Nas part. Nas had that part first in the 90s. So Drake has wore a couple variations of this haircut through the years. Check it out, man. So we looking at a dark Caesar hair with waves, more like a 2-inch on top.
This is Heartbreak Drake right here.
He's wearing his hair a little heavy with the suit on. So what do you think right there?
Okay, I see Poppy coming in. Champagne Poppy, they say.
Got that nice smooth beard, sort of like what you have. He's wearing his hair heavy, maybe like a 3 or 4. Curly top, natural look. So in this photo right here, this is the beard phase.
Yeah, I like this. The beard is really nice. I don't know how long it took him to grow that.
This is like my favorite Drake look right here. When he has like a fade, like a 2 on top. His waves are starting to spin, but he's missing something.
The part.
The part.
Hook.
The hook part.
Hook. Okay. This is what I want right here. Can you hook me up?
I sure can. This is the key.
Says you never gonna
Leave me
beside
in the parking lot
down the street
with my cheese twists.
Oh man, my Cheetos.
So we're gonna get this rolling. Let's go. Got my 357 from Caliber, my Kobe edition.
I hope you know what you're doing.
So we're gonna start on the right side of his head. So I'm working my way around the back area. You starting that fade. This is my canvas. I need top of the cranium. So at least like the tip of the ear. This is gonna be my work area. So just make sure we clean all the way around the board. When doing this particular cut, it's very important to make an even guideline. The next step that I wanna do is start trimming some of this hair off. I didn't quite use a guard yet because I need to cut a level off so I can start to see which direction that the hair goes.
Why do you think the barbershop became a place where, people could talk about anything?
You have all walks of life that come into the barbershop. All different men that share different experiences in life. So you can relate some you can't relate, but it's just different people that just experience a whole lot of different levels in life. Some of the best business goes on in the barbershop.
Some of the best business you don't need to know as well.
Yeah. So I think I got it down to where I need it at. He goes forward. It's curly right now, like pretty much like natural, but you can see like the wave pattern moving forward. Got a 2 guard to put on there.
This feels strange right here, man. I haven't had this much hair cut off in a long time.
Man, you got spiders in your head.
Woo. Don't let them bite you.
I'll let you look at it. You may want to take it a little lower depending on how fast you want to come back to the barbershop.
How low? Your low?
You can get low as mine. Now, if you go my low, that means you got to worry about the flies landing on your head and scratching his knees.
I think I'm starting to feel like Drake now,
Kiki, where she's at? Kiki!
Kiki. Oh, you heard that? Like the vocals coming in.
So I wanted to drop down a little lower, so I went ahead and got a smaller guard. So I get that perfect length. Yep, that's it. That's the length I'm gonna keep it. Your clipper extension is on your clipper, where there's a lever on the sides, adjustable. This is like for lower haircuts. When you're cutting lower skin tapers and fades, use the extension. But once you start going into taking down or fading into a bulk, you wanna use a guard for safety.
How do you feel about unloyal clients? Sometimes, you know, you might get a customer that may go to another barber. How do you feel about those?
I mean, honestly, like where I'm at right now in my career, it doesn't bother me. It makes room for like new clients that can never get my chair. So I used all my guards that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna just turn the level all the way up so I can start to knock the guideline out. Just picking at it is what you wanna do. You don't wanna go up to make any new guidelines.
How we looking so far?
Oh, we're looking great. We're right on time, right on schedule. So right now, I've been cutting hair for so long, so it's like I don't even have to look at the clipper or anything like that.
I was like wondering, you showed me no mirror yet.
It's kind of natural. It's kind of natural to me now. Like the clipper just talks to me.
I'm just so glad to get a haircut finally.
I'm gonna charge you. Don't think you're getting a free haircut to here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What's my man used to play for the Indiana Pacers? You look just like him.
Oh man.
You know what I'm talking about too.
Which one? That's the question.
You look just
like
like
Danny
him.
Granger?
Danny Granger.
Oh my goodness.
We can pull the picture up, Danny Granger.
Pull the picture up.
Danny Granger. That's exactly who you look like. That's something. Everybody has a twin.
True.
Everybody has a twin in this world. What's my guy that wrestles? Mark Henry. Yeah.
Oh, Mark Henry.
And I got ate up in the comments last time. People said Mark Henry, he transitioned over to barbering very well.
Gotta show us some wrestling moves, man.
I got my Monster 99 from Caliber. Yeah, you get some detail work done with this, some sharp lines on the beard, sharp lines on the shape up.
Has there ever been an unfixable hairline?
I actually like to fix crooked hairlines. It's one of my signatures. So on to the left side of the cut. You want to keep it low. Start working that bulk down, the weight in the hairline to start tapering it so I can get the guideline out.
Do you ever get nervous cutting celebrity hair?
Not at all. Sometimes I wonder, are you, if I cut you, you gonna call me back? But sometimes I really want to know, like, do you really like the haircut?
I feel so changed right now, man.
You're a changed man. Oh, just we finished trimming the beard, shaping it up now. One of my favorite tools in the barbershop, the feather razor. It's important to stress the skin when using the razor. So I'm just about all done, but I need a broom break. You gotta have a clean shop. You have a lot of hair, my man.
Man.
This was my first job, sweeping the floor in the barbershop. This was the beginning, the evolution of the Barber. This job right here, it saves lives. Be honest with you, when you hire a young man or you hire a young lady that wants to do barbering, this is sort of like their first job. I take pride in this job. I think I'm ready to cut this part in. I'm gonna get another pair of clippers. Just the blade just wasn't thin enough to give me a crisp line, that's all. I got my pink glosser from Luster. It's oil sheen. This hair dry. The oil takes away the dryness of the hair. All right, I'm ready, man. Spin it around.
It's not too bad, right? Okay, let's see. She used to call me on my cell phone. I haven't had my hair this low in a while, though. I'm gonna have to get some waves. The part is nice. I like the part. But he even did it. All right, I'll see you. Okay. Thank you.
Appreciate you, man.
For sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But last but not least, you look like an ex-NBA player. I want to challenge you to a game of trash-get-ball.
Trash-get-ball? Say no more. Let's do it.
So this is the rules, Latrell. You get 3 shots. I get 3 shots. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Yes! Oh. I appreciate you, my brother.
Appreciate you, man.
This is your... We out. Today we seen the Drake cut, the fade, the hook part, and the scruffy beard. Come check us out next time. Until then, be good, look good, feel good.
Inside the lives of athletes like me.
Let my clothes and my beard do the talking.
Oh, you snap.
just gonna be real with you.
They're going to have professional hockey players shoot a slap shot at me.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Let's see how it goes with the wiffle ball.
Ow, I got him!